Afghan English Academy.
Eliza, where were you? Peter came here to see you.
Eliza, where were you to چیرته وې؟ Peter came here to see you. Peter دلته راغلی و چې تا وویني.
My dear Eliza, I missed you so much.
My dear Eliza, زما خوږې Eliza, I missed you so much. ما ته ډېر یادولې.
I have had my dinner. I will be right back.
I have had my dinner. ما خپله د ماخوستن ناشته کړې ده. I will be right back. زه به بیرته راځم.
Peter, when did you come?
Peter, when did you come? ته کله راغلې؟
I wanted to see you, my beautiful fiancé. We will marry soon.
I wanted to see you, my beautiful fiancé. ما غوښتل چې خپله ښایسته fiancé وګورم. ملګرو fiancé ویل کیږي کوژده شوې جنۍ ته چې کوژده یې کړې وي. We will marry soon. موږ به ډېر زر واده وکړو. marry ویل کیږي واده کول ته.
Let's go to the restaurant. We will have dinner in a fancy restaurant.
Let's go to the restaurant. راځه چې لاړ سو هوټل ته. restaurant ویل کیږي هوټل ته. We will have dinner in a fancy restaurant. موږ به د ماخوستن ناشته په یو ښکلي هوټل کې وکړو. fancy ویل کیږي ښکلي ته.
Sure. It had a tough day for me. Thanks, Peter. You are a good person.
Sure, یقینا. It had a tough day for me. نن خو زما لپاره یوه ډېره سخته ورځ وله. tough ویل کیږي سخته. Thanks, Peter. مننه پیټره. You are a good person. ته یو ښه شخص یې.
Mom, can I go with Peter? I need your permission.
Mom, مورې can I go with Peter? آیا کولی شم چې له پیټر سره لاړه شمه؟ I need your permission. زه ستا اجازې ته ضرورت لرم. permission ویل کیږي اجازه.
Sure, Eliza. I have no objection. Please come home soon.
Sure, Eliza. یقینا Eliza. I have no objection. زه هیڅ اعتراض نه لرم. objection ویل کیږي اعتراض ته. Please come home soon. مهرباني وکړه کور ته ژر راشه.
I cannot stay here anymore. You have to get me out of here.
I cannot stay here anymore. زه نشم کولی چې دلته نور پاتې شمه. You have to get me out of here. ته باید ما له دې ځای څخه وباسې.
Don't worry, boss. I will get you out of here soon.
Don't worry, boss. پریشانه کېږه مه بوسه. یعنې مشره. I will get you out of here soon. زه به تا له دې ځای څخه ډېر ژر وباسم.
How is that man? I heard he is in the hospital. He is still alive.
How is that man? هغه شخص څنګه ده؟ هغه سړی څنګه ده؟ I heard ما اورېدلی دی he is in the hospital چې هغه په هسپتال کې ده. He is still alive. هغه تر اوسه پورې ژوندی دی.
Yes, boss. He is still alive. Don't worry. I will kill him soon.
Yes, boss. هو مشره. He is still alive. هغه تر اوسه پورې ژوندی دی. Don't worry. پریشانه کېږه مه. I will kill him soon. زه به هغه ډېر ژر ووژنم. kill ویل کېږي وژلو ته.
No. You don't need to kill him. Police will visit him tomorrow.
No. نه. You don't need to kill him. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته هغه ووژنې. Police will visit him tomorrow. پولیس به سبا ته د هغه لیدنه کوي. visit ویل کېږي لیدنه کول.
You have to meet him now. You have to threat him.
You have to meet him now. ته باید له هغه سره همدا اوس ملاقات وکړې. You have to treat him. ته باید هغه سره خپله معامله ورسره وکړه. treat ویل کېږي معامله کول.
If he says one word about us, you will kill his family.
If he says one word about us, که چیرته هغه زموږ باره کې یوه خبره هم وکړي, you will kill his family. ته به د هغه کورنۍ ووژنې.
I hope you got it. I cannot stay here. People are afraid of me.
I hope you got it. زه امید لرم چې ته پوه شوی یې. I cannot stay here. زه نشم کولی چې دلته پاتې شمه. People are afraid of me. خلک له ما څخه ډاریږي.
I got it. I will meet him now. He will not say anything about you.
I got it زه پوه شومه I will meet him now زه به له هغه سره همدا اوس ملاقات کوم He will not say anything about you هغه به ستا باره کې هیڅ هم ونه وایي
You have to find that girl as well. I will destroy her.
You have to find that girl as well ته باید هغه جنۍ هم پیدا کړې I will destroy her زه به هغه تباه کړم destroy ویل کېږي تباه کول
Here is your new apartment. You can stay here.
Here is your new apartment دا یو ستا نوی استوګنځی دی apartment ویل کېږي استوګنځي ته You can stay here ته دلته پاتې کېدلی شي
Thanks. I will pay the rent on time every month. You can count on me.
Thanks مننه I will pay the rent on time زه به کرایه په وخت باندې ادا کوم rent ویل کېږي کرایه ته every month هره میاشت You can count on me ته په ما باندې یقین کولی شي ملګرو count on ویل کېږي یقین کول
I have to go now. Good night.
I have to go now زه باید اوس لاړ شمه good night ښه شپه ولري
Hello, Mom. How are you?
Hello mom سلام مورې how are you ته څنګه یې
I am not good without you. Please, Henry, come back home.
I am not good without you زه ستا نه بغیر ښه نه یمه Please Henry come back home مهرباني وکړه هنري بیرته کور ته راشه
I am not feeling well. I miss you a lot.
I am not feeling well زه ښه احساس نه کومه I miss you a lot زه تا ډېر یادومه
Mom. I cannot come back. You know Dad is still selling expired medicines.
Mom مورې I cannot come back زه نشم کولی چې بیرته درشمه You know ته پوهیږې Dad is still selling expired medicines چې پلار تر اوسه پورې expire شوي دوايګانې خرڅوي medicines ویل کېږي دوايګانو ته
I will not help him in this case. It's illegal. Don't worry about me.
I will not help him in this case زه به له هغه سره په دې کیس کې کومک ونه کړم It's illegal دا غیر قانوني ده illegal ویل کېږي غیر قانوني ده Don't worry about me زما باره کې پریشانه کېږه مه
Where are you staying, my son? I will send you some money.
Where are you staying my son ته چېرته پاتې کېږې زما زویه I will send you some money زه به تا ته یو څه روپۍ در ولېږم
I am staying a rental apartment, Mom. I sold my expensive watch.
I am staying in a rental apartment mom زه په یو کرایه استوګنځي کې اوسېږم I sold ما خرڅ کړ my expensive watch زما قیمتي ساعت expensive ویل کېږي قیمته
I have some savings in my account as well. You know I have my own website.
I have some savings in my account as well په خپل اکاونټ کې یو څه ذخیره هم لرم د روپو You know ته پوهیږې I have my own website چې زه خپل ویب سایټ لرم
I will find a good job soon. Please don't worry about me.
I will find a good job soon زه به یوه ښه وظیفه ډېر زر پیدا کړمه Please don't worry about me مهرباني وکړه زما باره کې پریشانه کېږه مه
Okay, Henry. I will visit you soon. Take care.
Okay Henry take the Henry I will visit you soon زه به ستا لیدنه ډېر زر وکړمه Take care خیال دې ساته
Please don't shoot me. I am so sorry. I don't want to die.
Please don't shoot me مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه Sorry مهرباني وکړه ما مه وله shoot ویل کېږي ویستلو ته I am sorry زه بخښنه غواړم I don't want to die زه نه غواړم چې مړ شم die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل
Shut up. My boss is in a lockup. You have to die.
Shut up چوپ شه My boss is in lockup زما مشر چې د هغه په لوکپ کې ده په جیل کې ده You have to die ته باید مړ شي
Police will come here for investigation. I know you will tell them about my...
Police will come here for investigation پولیس به دلته راځي د تحقیق لپاره د څېړنې لپاره investigation ویل کېږي ملګرو تحقیق ته څېړنې ته I know زه پوهیږم you will tell them about my boss زه پوهیږم چې ته به هغوی ته زما د مشر باره کې ووایې
boss.
No, I will not say anything. Please forgive.
No, I will not say anything. زه به هیڅ هم نه ورته وایم. Please forgive me. مهرباني وکړه ما معاف کا. Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کولو ته.
me.
If you say anything about us, I will kill your
If you say anything about us که ته چېرته یو څه زموږ باره کې ورته ووایې که نه I will kill your family. زه به ستا کورنۍ ووژنم.
family.
No. Please don't kill my family. I beg.
No. Please don't kill my family. مهرباني وکړه زما کورنۍ مه وژنه. I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم. beg ویل کېږي سوال کول.
Beg you. I will not tell police anything. Please
I will not tell police anything. زه پولیس ته هیڅ هم نه وایم. Please forgive me. مهرباني وکړه ما معاف کړه.
forgive me.
Fine. I hope you got it. I am
Fine. ټیک ده. I hope you got it. زه امید لرم چې ته پوه شوی یې. I am going now. زه اوس ځمه.
going now.
Thank you for this amazing dinner. You love me a lot.
Thank you for this amazing dinner. مننه د دې په زړه پورې د ناشتې لپاره د ښې ناشتې لپاره. You love me a lot. ته له ما سره ډېره مینه کوي.
Of course, I love you a lot. I can do anything for you.
Of course, بالکل. I love you a lot. زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم. I can do anything for you. ستا لپاره هر څه کولی شم.
You are my world. We will marry soon. You are a good girl, Eliza.
You are my world. ته زما دنیا یې. We will marry soon. موږ به ډېر زر واده وکړو. You are a good girl, Eliza. ته یوه ښه جینۍ یې Eliza.
I am so lucky to have you in my life. You really take care of me.
I am so lucky to have you in my life. زه ډېر خوشقسمته یم چې تا په خپل ژوند کې لرمه. Lucky ویل کېږي خوشقسمته. You really take care of me. ته په حقیقت سره زما ډېر خیال ساتي. Take care ویل کېږي خیال ساته.
I think we should go now. I am getting late.
I think زما په فکر we should go now. موږ باید اوس لاړ شو. I am getting late. زه ناوخته کېږم.
How are you feeling now? Are you okay?
How are you feeling now? ته اوس څنګه احساس کوي? Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
I am fine now. Doctor will discharge me tomorrow.
I am fine now. زه اوس ټیک یم. Doctor will discharge me tomorrow. ډاکټر به ما سبا ته رخصت کړي. Discharge ویل کېږي رخصتول.
I caught that criminal. He is in a lockup right now.
I caught that criminal. ما هغه مجرم ونیو. Criminal ویل کېږي مجرم ته. He is in the lockup right now. هغه اوس فی الحال په لوکاپ کې ده.
A girl helped us a lot. She took you here. She saw that goon.
A girl helped us a lot. یوه جینۍ د موږ ډېر کومک وکړ. She took you here. هغې ته دلته راوستلې. She saw that goon. هغې هغه ګونډه ولیدو. خوني ولیدو. ګون ویل کېږي خوني ګونډه.
A goon. What are you talking about?
A goon یو خوني. What are you talking about? د ته څه باره کې خبرې کوې؟
He is in a lockup right now. Can you recognize him?
Yes, he is in the lockup right now. هغه اوس فی الحال په لوکاپ کې ده. Can you recognize him? آیا ته کولی شې چې هغه وپېژنې؟ Recognize ویل کېږي پېژندل.
He is that man. Please take a look at this photo.
He is that man. هغه دی دغه سړی. Please take a look at this photo. مهرباني وکړه دغه عکس ته ښه په غور سره وګوره.
Did he stab you? Do you know this man?
Did he stab you? آیا هغه په تا باندې برید وکړ؟ یعنې دغه په تا باندې برید وکړ. Stab ویل کېږي برید کول حمله کول. Do you know this man? آیا ته دغه شخص پېژنې؟
No, officer. He did not stab me. He is not that person.
No, officer. نه officer. He did not stab me. هغه ما باندې حمله ونه کړه. He is not that person. هغه دغه شخص نه دی.
What? Are you sure? I have checked the CCTV footage. That girl saw this goon. She told me everything.
That girl saw this goon. هغه جنۍ دغه خوني لیدلی و. She told me everything. هغه ما ته هر څه ویلي.
I don't know that girl. This man did not stab me. I am telling the truth.
I don't know that girl. زه هغه جنۍ نه پیژنم. This man did not stab me. دغه سړي ما باندې حمله نه وه کړې. I am telling you the truth. زه تا ته رښتیا وایم. Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته.
It was crowded there. This person was standing there.
It was crowded there. هلته رش و. ګڼه ګوڼه وه. Crowd ویل کېږي رش ته ګڼه ګوڼې ته. This person was standing there. دغه شخص هلته ولاړ و.
You should bail that person. You caught the wrong person, officer.
You should bail that person. ته باید هغه شخص پرېږدې. د جیل نه لوکپ نه پرېږدې. You caught the wrong person, officer. تا یو غلط شخص نیولی ده افیسره.
Thanks for your statement. I have to go now. Get well soon.
Thanks for your statement. ستا د وینا څخه مننه. Statement ویل کېږي وینا ته. I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړ شم. Get well soon. ژر ښه شه.
She was a good girl. She helped me a lot.
She was a good girl. هغه یوه ښه جنۍ وه. She helped me a lot. هغې زما ډېر کومک وکړ.
I am sorry, but I have to protect my family.
I am sorry. زه بخښنه غواړم. But لیکن I have to protect my family. زه باید خپله کورنۍ وساتم. Protect یې کړم. ساتنه یې وکړم. Protect ویل کېږي ساتنه کول.
That goon is very dangerous. He can do anything.
That goon is very dangerous. هغه خوني یعنی ګونډه ډېر خطرناک دی. Dangerous ویل کېږي خطرناک ده. He can do anything. هغه هر څه کولی شي.
I am sorry. It was a misunderstanding. You did not stab that man.
I am sorry. زه بخښنه غواړم. It was a misunderstanding. دا یو غلط فهمي وله. Misunderstanding ویل کېږي غلط فهمي ته. You did not stab that man. ته هغه شخص باندې حمله نه وه کړې.
You may go now. I am sorry again.
You may go now. تاسو اوس کولی شئ چې لاړ شئ. I am sorry again. زه دوباره بخښنه غواړم.
Did you find that girl? I want to destroy her. Where does she live?
Did you find that girl? آیا ته هغه جنۍ پیدا کړله؟ I want to destroy her. زه غواړم چې هغه تباه کړم. Destroy ویل کېږي تباه کول. Where does she live? هغه چیرته اوسېږي؟
Yes, boss. I found that girl. She lives in this city.
Yes, boss. هو مشره. I found that girl. ما هغه جنۍ پیدا کړله. She lives in this city. هغه په دې ښار کې اوسېږي.
Her name is Eliza. I know her address.
Her name is Eliza. د هغې نوم الیزا ده. I know her address. زه د هغې پته پیژنم.
Fine. I want to meet her. I will destroy her life. She does not know me yet.
Fine, ټیک ده. I want to meet her. زه غواړم چې له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم. I will destroy her life. زه به د هغې ژوند تباه کړم. She does not know me yet. هغه تر اوسه پرې ما نه پیژني.
She will cry every single day. Let's go now.
She will cry every single day. هغه به هر ورځ زاړي. Let's go now. راځه چې اوس لاړ شو.
I should go now. Take care of yourself. Good night.
I should go now. زه باید اوس لاړ شم. Take care of yourself. د خپل ځان د خیال ساته. Good night. ښه شپه ولرې.
What are you doing here? You were in jail.
What are you doing here? تاسو دلته څه کوئ؟ You were in jail. ته خو په جیل کې وې.
I will not forgive you. You should not have called the police.
I will not forgive you. زه به تا معاف نه کړم. You should not have called the police. تا باید پولیس ته ویلی نه وی.
I will destroy you. You will cry every day. I will teach you a solid lesson.
I will destroy you. زه به تا تباه کړم. You will cry every single day. ته به هره ورځ زاړې. I will teach you a solid lesson. زه به تا ته یو سخت سبق در وښیم.
Please don't destroy my life. I beg you.
Please don't destroy my life. مهرباني وکړه زما ژوند مه تباه کوه. I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم.
It's too late now. Nobody will marry you.
It's too late now. اوس ډېر ناوخته شوې ده. Nobody will marry you. هیڅوک هم له تا سره واده ونه کړي.
No, no. Let me go. I am so sorry. I beg you.
No, نه let me go مهرباني وکړه ما پرېږده. I am so sorry زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم. I beg you زه تاته سوال کوم.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are going to